Hey there, woodworking enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into how to use a router for woodworking like a pro. If you're new to woodworking or just want to up your game, this tool is essential. First thing first, safety. Always wear safety goggles and hearing protection. Routers are powerful and can get noisy. Alright, let's get to the basics. A router is a versatile tool that can hollow out an area in a piece of wood, create edge profiles, and even joinery. It's like a magician's wand for woodworkers. When setting up your router, make sure you choose the right bit for your project. Bits come in all shapes and sizes, and each one has a specific purpose. For instance, a straight bit is great for cutting grooves, while a roundover bit is perfect for smoothing edges. Next, adjust the depth of your cut. Start with a shallow cut and make multiple passes. This prevents the router from straining and gives you a cleaner finish. Now let's talk about technique. When you're routing the edge of a board, always move the router from left to right. This way you're working against the bit's rotation, giving you more control. For inside cuts like grooves or dados, move the router clockwise. A handy tip: clamp your workpiece securely. This keeps everything stable and ensures precision. Also, keep a firm grip on the router and move it steadily. Rushing can lead to mistakes or rough edges. And there you have it. With these tips, you'll be using a router like a seasoned pro in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect. So get out there and start creating. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more woodworking tips. Catch you in the next video.